A 2% move upward is expected for Tether Gold, coin data flow shows on March 31. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. Today's update shows Tether Gold up 1%, with the price around $4,533.10. Let's explore what the experts are forecasting. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to show $4,626.26 by March 31, a gain of roughly 2%. 30 Rates projects Tether Gold will trend higher toward $4,602, a projected increase of 1.5%. Coin Price Forecast notes it might be on track for $4,524 on the downside, implying a loss of 0.2%. Another analysis from Gov Capital Collector highlights Tether Gold could move downward toward $4,511.78, roughly 0.5% lower. And in closing, Digital Coin Price believes the price may reach $4,439.61 by tomorrow. That's a 2.1% drop. This is the strongest return case. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. Summarizing all analyst predictions, here's the picture. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a decrease of 2.1% and an increase of 2%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Digital Coin Price offers the top projected return with 2.1% growth in value by March 31. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $2 and $21 for every $1,000 you invest. From the probability standpoint, Coin Price Forecast has the highest chance of success at 78.5%. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. The combined outlook suggests Tether Gold holding close to $4,540.73 without major change. Here's what it looks like up close. The consensus readout shows the price up about 0.1% by tomorrow. Put another way, your capital may also advance by 0.1% in line with that forecast. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $1 added. So in summary, the probability attached to the consensus outlook for Tether Gold stands close to 79.3%. To get a clearer view, let's see how analysts anticipate the next 3 days. According to CoinDataFlow, the market is likely to trend downward. 30 Rates believes the next 3 days will show Tether Gold holding around the same levels without a clear push in either direction. Meanwhile, Coin Price Forecast suggests Tether Gold will move in a narrow range. For this short horizon, likewise Gov Capital Collector describes the market as flat with little scope for variation. Digital Coin Price indicates that prices could dip further. The consensus stance presents Tether Gold with a clear downward direction. Summing up, 60% of projections indicate a tilt to the downside for Tether Gold. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago for the day ahead. With that day now finished, we know how they held up. As a result, the market settled at $4,447.30. 3 out of 5 analysts matched the actual market direction. Top result for precision went to Traders Union. Time to check the outcome in detail. Only 1 forecast landed inside the actual daily move. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts delivered profits, led by Gov Capital Collector at 1.1%. And now comes the recap, all forecasts compared side by side. The data for 30 Rates shows 54.2% forecast probability, $154.70 accuracy, and minus 1.1% ROI. Try to notice which predictions aged best once the day was over. Let's see how tomorrow's forecasted returns compare between Tether Gold and a few other coins. Tomorrow's projection puts Tether Gold in 4th place, while Fetch records 4.4% in expected performance. At this stage, Tether Gold is compared with only 4 cryptocurrencies, but the extended view with many more is coming soon to my website and Telegram. If this saved you some research time, drop a like to let me know it helped. See you in the next forecast.